Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
This past weekend we dealt with some windy conditions, and we're certainly expecting that today. But the difference between today and this past weekend is that fire weather potential. Now, we aren't waking up to any windy conditions this morning, but they're really going to pick up by later on this afternoon. And because of that dry and those windy conditions, we are under a red flag warning that goes from noon all the way until 9 o'clock this evening. Again, Central Time, but then it'll be about 8 o'clock this evening Mountain Time for our county shaded in pink. It does include most of the South Plains and all of our eastern New Mexico counties, and this is why, because we're in a critical fire weather risk for today. That means outdoor burning should not be a thing. Really just watch what you're doing outside if you are going to be outside today, because those windy conditions will pick up by later on this afternoon, and a dry line will sweep on through. That will allow for very dry air with low relative humidity, less than about 20%. Right now, winds are from the east, but by later on this afternoon, when that dry line pushes on through, those winds will pick up from the west, sustained at 25 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 45 miles per hour. What that means is, of course, those fire weather potential, but also north and southbound travel will be very tricky. Good news is those winds eventually calm down overnight tonight. Now, that dry line is all driven by an upper level low that's currently over Arizona right now. Now, that dry line going to help supply that fire weather potential for today, especially Lubbock and West. Also going to supply a little bit of some shower and thunderstorm activity for our friends over in the east. Now, right now, no rain. We are waking up to overcast conditions, though, from Plainview, Live Sky View, and satellite and radar over the past 3 hours is verifying there is no rain across the area. Now, as that dry line pushes on through during the early and late morning hours, it's not going to allow for really any convection to develop in some of our western counties. That's why we will remain dry for our western counties, basically I-27 and west. But by the afternoon, around 1 o'clock, it will supply a little bit of some lift for some of our eastern counties to develop some showers and thunderstorms. And then we could get one final push for a potentially stronger storm off to our northeast by late this evening. And that is where that greater severe weather potential lies. Otherwise, all of the area pretty much remains dry today, and rain chances will be limited after that as well. Taking a look at our severe weather threat in a general thunderstorm category for our eastern counties, but our extreme northeastern counties in that marginal risk for severe weather, meaning a strong storm is certainly possible. Not going to be expecting a lot of severe weather activity, though. Waking up this morning, we're feeling pretty chilly, especially to the north and west. Temperatures right now into the 40s, upper 50s off into the rolling plains, and by this afternoon, temperatures will rise up into the low to mid 70s across much of the area. Those winds will turn eventually to the west, supplying that dry air. And again, those fire weather conditions, Lubbock and west, and a few isolated showers, Lubbock and east. And then our next rain chance will be on the first day of April, only isolated in nature. Unfortunately, the next 7 days really not experiencing a lot of rainfall across much of the area. Just above average temperatures despite Friday, with temperatures falling into the lower 60s.
It was great earlier this month when we did have those rainy conditions, made everything a little bit greener and the trees just start growing back their leaves. Now we're gonna have to wait a little bit, maybe water our grass a little bit extra.
Yeah, certainly could use a lot of moisture in the forecast. Now, looks like though we will close out the month of March in a surplus of rainfall and no drought status, so that's the good news, but we could certainly use some rain across the area.
Thank you.